Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the number that is one less than a number. And we did this at the beginning of the year, but we were just doing numbers to 20 and what number was one less. But now that because you're almost second graders, we need to start learning our numbers up to 120. So you're going to see some pretty big numbers on here. If you need any help, you can look at the 120 chart on your desk or wherever you have one in your classroom. So what we do is we just find the number on the hundreds chart and we just write the number that comes before. So what number comes before 28? 27. Very good. The other thing is we see these in our missing number fluency test that we take, and you might see like the numbers by fives or tens, but on this paper we're just doing all that's one less. So what number comes before 64? Good, 63. Okay, now write the number that comes before 57. 56. What number comes before 22? 21. What is one less than 84? 83. Very good. What is one less than 65? 64. What is one less than 58? 57. What's one less than 99? 98. Very good. So I want you to push pause and do the right side of your paper and then push play and check your answers with mine. All right, let's check. So this one is 96. One less than 36 is 35. Remember, if you made a mistake on any of these, just erase it and fix it. So what's one less than 24? 23. One less than 50? 49. One less than 76? 75. One less than 52 is 51. The number before 84 is 83. And the number before 17 is 16. Great. Now today, back, you're going to practice subtraction again this week. So we're going to be doing facts, subtraction facts, and they can be kind of tricky, but if you do the top part first, you can kind of find the matches on the bottom. And then you can match up the answers. So 8 minus 7 is 1. This one's 2. This is 3 because I'm seeing 10 friends. And then finish this top part, and then you can do the bottom part.